Hello and welcome back to another video. This one is joining together much of what I've done on this channel, but going more back towards cosplay and costuming. I've moved my gaming content to another channel, so if you're normally here for that, or if you're interested, it's M Plays Games. It'll be linked below. Please excuse how blown out majority of this video is. I tried to fix a lot of it in post by pushing shadows and lowering highlights, but there's only so much you can do without completely warping the visual of the footage. I didn't realize while I was filming how blown out it was, so this is something that I'll definitely use as a learning opportunity for future content. This cosplay look is directly inspired by the Elder Scrolls V Skyrim, specifically the vampires you can run into. I didn't want to do a specific outfit or armor set since this is a collaboration with Mocha Queen costume lenses and is more of a makeup and aesthetics based look. It was a good exercise in being budget friendly and breaking down costume elements that still make others go, oh, I recognize that. Even the wig I styled in a vanilla Skyrim hair you can pick for most of the human and mer-based races. And while in a lot of media, vampires are like beautified, I feel like the Skyrim and the Elder Scrolls lore-based vampires are very much more on the undead side of vampirism, with the cool tones used in the facial contours and the hollowed eyes, very much that corpsey kind of look. I did end up going with a red contact lens for this project, despite many vampires post Dawnguard DLC in Skyrim having glowing amber eyes. Red is just iconic for vampires and you can't go wrong with it. It really stands out against a shadowed corpsey makeup look and a black and gray outfit, and matches perfectly with a set of vampire inspired jewelry that I got from Spirit Halloween. I do leave much of the unedited footage of me putting on the wig because I wanted to show how much effort goes into making sure it's aligned, the wig cap's not moving, it's not too far forward, not too far back. There's a lot that goes into it, sometimes online and especially amongst like cosplay and costuming community and a lot of those videos that you see, it can look like, oh, they just threw that on and it looks so effortless, and you know, even not using glue, there's a lot that goes into adjusting it and making sure everything's tucked away, and any baby hairs and blended hairs that you add or styled or commissioned or come as stock with the wig, getting those placed and making sure it looks not completely terrible. There's a lot that goes into it, and a lot of adjusting and just taking time with it and trusting the process. A lot of trusting the process. So I did actually end up going downstairs and getting a red lip stain that I forgot that I had because I felt like the lip oil was just not cutting it. Put a little bit of Amorous Satin by MAC lipstick on just to kind of give that dead look, and it looks like the red stain's trying to cover that up. So now the last thing I need to do is just put my fangs in. I'm very happy with how this has turned out so far, considering I had to go down to my husband in his shop to have him put this on for me. Here's one. Time to look like I have snacks shoved in my cheeks. There's the other. The links for most everything I used for this project will be in the description. The dress was thrifted, but it's just a plain black quarter sleeve dress that fits a little tightly. There is an affiliate link for the contacts that I earned commission from, as well as a discount code for you to use. I have many tips that help me break down characters and costumes into usable chunks to build a costume or cosplay. Let me know if you'd find that helpful and I can work on making a video.